Hey again, everybody, it's Miss Gill. So I was asked about number 4 on page 23. The title says it's about percent error. Also, the page directions say that we should round our answer to the nearest hundredth of a percent. Nearest hundredth. So I'll write that down. Okay, so as always, first step is to read the problem. Luna buys a shirt that costs $15.65. She gives the cashier $20 and receives $3.25 in change. What is the percent error in the amount of change she was given? So even if percent error wasn't in the title, it's right here in the problem. So this is a percent error problem. So let me give myself some workspace here. If we want to know the percent of our error, we first have to know our error. And before we can find our error, we have to know what the actual thing was. So if we're wanting to find the error in the change that we were given, then we have to know the actual change that we were supposed to be given. So let's figure that out. Our actual change, by change I don't mean money change. So the actual change was supposed to be $20 minus the cost was $15.65. Okay, can't do 0 minus 5, can't borrow from a 0, can't borrow from a 0. I can borrow from a 200, so that'll be 199, which makes this 0 a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. Make sure you carry down the decimal. 9 minus 5 is 4. So the actual change was supposed to be $4.35. Now the cashier gave us $3.25, so obviously there's a little bit of error there. So let's set up a proportion. So we'll have actual. That over just a little. And we'll have the change in money. And then we'll have our percents on the bottom. Then over here we'll have error. Okay. So the actual change right here, the actual change was $4.35. And that's the full thing, so that's 100%. That's if our change was correct. But it wasn't. There was an error. So we're asked to find the percent of that error. So we're going to call that X. We don't know the percent of the error. That's what we're going to find. We do know where we can find the error in the amount of money. So the cashier gave us $3.25. So if you subtract that, it looks like she was $1.10 off. So error isn't the wrong amount. It's how far off you are from the actual amount. I'll say that again. Error is not the wrong amount. It's how far off you are from the actual amount. So I'll put that in my proportion. Now we just gotta cross multiply. So 435 times X equals anything times 100's easy. You just scoot the decimal place over twice. So that's 110. Now to get rid of times 4.35, I'm going to divide 4.35. So these two things are going to cancel each other out. The multiply 4.35 and the divide. So now I'm left with, type this in the calculator, 100 divided by 4.35. Did I type that in right? No. It was supposed to be 110. Oh, okay. Let me go back and fix that. Scoot the decimal place over twice right here. It was supposed to be 110. I wrote 100. Let me fix that real quick. And we have to change it in the calculator. 110 divided by 4.35. Okay. Since we're supposed to round it to the nearest hundredth or second decimal place, this 7 would round the 8 up to a 9. So it's going to be 25.29. So 25.29. And if you look back at the proportion, X represented, right here, the X represented the percent error. So that means we had a 25.29% error. And that's all for this problem. Thank you for watching. Bye.